How crazy is China's Double 11 shopping spree, or China's annual Black Friday? You may have no concept of it. Let's make it clear. You see these Nike shoes? Its original price is 899 yuan, around $134. But on November 11, it's only $14.7. And for this clinic blusher, its original price is $21 and its Double 11 price is 5 yuan less than $1. And these Armani lip gloss, original price $46, but now, oh my god, less than $2. Maybe you may say that's fine, I could buy things in AliExpress. There are also many things on sale, but please, the preferential price level in AliExpress is nothing compared with that in China's Tmall. Only in there you could experience the real Double 11 shopping spree. You could buy things for the whole year within one day. Today, as a journalist, I don't want to talk about China-US trade war or Trump. Let's avoid the discussion of politics. Today, I would like to tell you, my friends across the world, about how to enjoy a pure shopping festival. It's no doubt that the year 2020's Double 11 will give you the maximum discount in history. Why? Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all of the well-known brands you could remember have overstocked. It means they have to sell their products with good timing, or else there will be no room in the warehouse. For example, last year you could enjoy $7.4 off every $60 spent with no cap on participating products. And in this year, there are more benefits. Besides, the Double 11 Tmall shopping hacks have started. Remember the Tmall shopping coupons you collected? You can also grab other coupons from each shop. Discounts are stackable. So how could you get the coupons? First, download and register a Taobao and Tmall app. Then search these brands' official online stores. You will see the prompts at the first page. Well, many people may complain they don't understand Chinese, so does this mean I can't find the coupons? No, you could log in Taobao web. Use Chrome browser and input the web www.taobao.com, then log in and click translation of the entire web pages. Done! Next, you can enjoy finding all various coupons which are impossible to refuse. Don't wait until 11th November to add items to your cart. From October 21st to November 1st, you can start loading your cart with Double 11 deals and collecting shopping coupons for a smoother checkout on sale day. The first round of promotion starts from October 21st to November 1st. Most of the items are pre-sold and you can get many gifts for each order. The second round of promotions starts from 1st November. It's the time consumers pay for the first round of the pre-sold items. Sellers will set more preferential strategies to attract you to pay as soon as possible. For example, a 50% discount for the first 3 items. And the third round of promotions starts from 4th November to Double 11 Day. At that time, new shopping coupons, other ways of promotion, and new items will be given. You'd better place an order in advance. Well, after going through the rigors of prepping for the sale, there are some special deals that you should check out. First, clothes and shoes. You can spend less than $80 for a tracksuit of Adidas or Nike. A pair of normal shoes is also included. Well, a 50% discount for the limited edition of Air Jordan or Yeezy is impossible. Next, cosmetics are also admissible. In 11th November, even La Mer and HR will give you a super discount, let alone other brands such as Estee Lauder and Dior. Last year, I bought this Estee Lauder's night cream with only $50. It should be considered very cheap. And for digital products, if you are in America or Hong Kong, just ignore this advice. After all, iPhones sold in local Apple stores there are cheaper. But if you are in Northern Europe, such as Swiss or Norway, trust me, buy iPhones in China's Taobao or Tmall. Not only iPhones, you can also buy Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi for really good price. I once lived in Norway in Oslo. A Huawei mobile phone will cost nearly 10,000 kroner or $1,130. But in November 11, you could have it in Tmall for $143. See, I saved the money for a one-way flight ticket. Coming next are two technical questions. First, some may worry about buying the fake products. Rest assured, the products you buy in Tmall or any other online shops in Tmall are 100% authentic. Then some may ask, what if businesses don't dispatch goods to my country? Well, the ultimate solution is to find an international logistics agency. When I was in Norway, I always found an agency named CN Storm. Attention, that's definitely not advertisement. I usually place an order in Tmall or China's JD.com and then ask the seller to send the goods to the warehouse of CN Storm. I could find the speed of logistics in the website. After all my parcels had been put in CN Storm, I could ask the company to dispatch them together to where I lived instead of sending me the items one by one. Besides, although express companies such as DHL or FDL are fast, they also cost too much, so I usually choose EMS. By using these international express services, we can minimize shipping. So it won't happen when you buy a cloth with $10 but have to afford $50 freight cost. Now that I mentioned it, perhaps you can't wait to devote yourself to the great project of shopping. Well, before you do shopping online, don't forget to like, repost, and follow my YouTube account. I'm Kathy Chen. See you next time.